With the new contact pages design, we've taken the chance to improve access to opportunities, giving this section better visibility, faster access, and a more intuitive layout that supports deeper customization. Let's check the changes out. Opportunities move to the right panel as a dedicated standalone tab positioned below associations for improved discoverability. Opportunities are temporarily accessible under Actions and on the right panel, giving you time to adjust to the changes. Opportunities are managed separately from associations, giving a clearer view without impacting data structure or functionality. Let's learn how to access, view, and edit opportunities from this new tab. Navigate to a contact record, and on the right-hand panel, you'll now see a dedicated Opportunities tab below Associations. To add a new opportunity, click Plus Add. Click the three-dot icon in the bottom right corner of an existing opportunity to edit or remove it. Clicking an opportunity card will also open the opportunity details for you to edit. This update will help you easily access your opportunity details in a way that makes sense, keeping all details readily visible to improve your information management. We hope you enjoy it.